I'm going to wait for Facebook to gather me a little audience here. How are all of you tonight? Let's see here. I am going to log on here. The sun is going down and it's so pretty, this house. I gotta tell you, the gardeners were here today and I had a wonderful friend bring me a beautiful rose, a new rose trellis. Hey, as you guys come on here, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. And if I'm sharing this on YouTube, do hit the subscribe button. That is greatly appreciated on Andrea Cox TV. But if I'm not, if I'm here on Facebook, tell me where you're tuning in from in the comments section below this video. So city, state, country, what have you. It also lets me know that you can hear me and you can see me okay. I'm Andrea Cox. I'm an intuitive healer, a detox specialist by trade, a little bit of a medicine woman, so to speak. I teach you how to grow your own food. My sincerest apologies there, you guys. Those spam calls are a real pain in the butt, aren't they? Getting back to what I was saying, I teach you how to grow your own food, to make that food into plant medicine, and to live a pretty sustainable life. I've been vegan for 21 years and yeah, all kinds of good stuff. So let's get into it. Let's see who we have on here so I can welcome you. I've got the best raw vegan smoothie recipe for all of you that will literally take under 2 minutes. It's only got 5 ingredients and it is really stabilizing for the blood sugar. So any of you who have like diabetes, it's really good for that. It's also full of potassium, so it helps you release water. And that's my little love button, Lewis, in the background there. And it's also full of bromelain because it's got pineapple in it, which is an enzyme that helps you break down fat. So let's see who we have tuning in here. The sun is so bright, I can barely see, you guys. That's why I love this kitchen. Like I was saying, the gardeners were here earlier. And welcome. Keep telling me where you're tuning in from in the comments. Hello, Sabrina. Thank you. You like the jackfruit. Hello, John. Where are you guys from? Thank you, Scott, for sharing. Where are you guys from? Tell me where you're tuning in from. Let's get started with this pineapple smoothie recipe. So those of you who know me, you know I run 2 businesses. I'm extremely busy from day to day. I handle client calls. I probably handle 3 client calls per day, and that's legitimately all I can handle. And I have 2 websites, 2 YouTube channels. It's a lot. And what I found over the past few years was that in order to be able to really handle my business in a proper way and get product shipments out, etc., I had to keep my meals really simple. So I've got my handy dandy high-powered Vitamix blender here. You're gonna wanna use a high-powered blender. A Vitamix can mow your lawn. It's extremely efficient when it comes to blending things up, so to speak. I have got some kale. This is what I call curly kale. It's not flat leaf kale. It's purple kale. So I like to try to get all the colors of the rainbow in every day in my meals. So we've got the purple kale. I'm gonna start by adding some purified spring water to the Vitamix. And it's about a little less than half a cup. So maybe 1/4 a cup in there like so. I'm then going to take some freshly cut pineapple. So I've got probably about 2 cups here. I'm gonna put about almost a cup. You know, I don't measure, not much for measuring. So, you know, a lot of people struggle with pineapple because they have a mineral deficiency. So if it hurts your teeth when you eat pineapple, that is due to a mineral deficiency. You might even also notice that you have hair loss or you're balding. That's a mineral deficiency. So I'm just gonna kind of show you, I'm filling it to about here. So almost a cup. I'm gonna take 2 medjool dates and I'm gonna break those up right there. These are pitted. If they aren't pitted, then you want to pit them. Now, I want to show you something else. When I cut my pineapple, one of the things I do is I leave a few pieces with the rind on them and I juice them the next day. Why? Because the rind of the pineapple is actually a cancer preventative. Most people don't know that. So save the rind, the bottom part of your pineapple, and roll that through your juicer with some celery sticks, and great cancer preventative. Now, I'm also going to take some frozen bananas, and you'll notice my bananas already have cinnamon on them, and that's because cinnamon is a blood sugar stabilizer. So I like to freeze my bananas and then sprinkle cinnamon on them prior to putting them in the freezer. So I'm gonna start with 1.5 bananas. I don't even know why I broke it up, folks, because to be honest with you, the Vitamix, it's like, it'll break up concrete. I'm serious. Now, the last ingredient I'm gonna wait to put in is the kale. So let's blend this up. You guys can all do the happy dance. Continue telling me where you're tuning in from. Hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button on this video, and subscribe if I am sharing this on YouTube. Okay, so this is perfect consistency, actually. Sorry about that. I hope you guys didn't see my footies. This is actually perfect consistency. I'm just gonna show you how perfect that is, like so. But we're gonna add the kale, so let's add the kale. But this is absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna turn the blender on, and as the blender's on, I'm gonna just add the kale. Why the kale is so good to add in a minute. So if you have issues, so this is a pretty, like almost a caramely color of purple and yellow. Look at that. Great for your digestive system. High in minerals because of the kale. High in bromelain. My God, the minerals in the dates are amazing. Sorry. So good. Bon appetit, right? So if you have issues with your teeth hurting when you eat things that, you know, like lemon juice and things like that, or pineapple, blending the kale with the pineapple will eliminate that. So it's always good to have a little green in there. Also, if you want to really, really absorb the mineral content of the dates and of the kale, do just a squeeze of lemon. I know it sounds kind of odd, but that's also really great to add to this smoothie recipe. You guys, did that take a lot of time? I mean, really, did it take a lot of time? I don't think it took a lot of time, did it? I don't, and you can have this every day if you want to. Pineapple's in season right now. The way you can tell if a pineapple is ripe is just plucking the top of the little pointy things that stick out, and if they come right out, then you have a ripe pineapple. You can also smell the fragrance of a pineapple, which is real easy. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Hello, Ron in Claremont. Hello, Brian in Ohio. Hello, Red Star. Hello, Joanna from, I think, is it London? Yeah, you guys need to tell me where you're tuning in from more often. So thank you guys so much. Listen, I'm gonna plug a few places that you can check me out. So on YouTube, I have 2 channels, Andrea Cox TV for tons and tons and tons of raw vegan recipes and things of that nature. And then I've got the DETOX Intuitive, which is my spiritual channel, which is actually growing bigger than my other channel. And you know, I'll stick by the motto that Our issues live in our tissues. Hey Dennis, what's up? Hey Jonah, what's up? Our issues really do live in our tissues. So the more we clean out our body on a cellular level, the more we're able to focus on our business, focus on our relationships, and really cultivate those really strong, spiritual, deep-rooted, past life relationships that we are all brought here to clean up and mend and really work and love one another. So I definitely encourage you to first subscribe to Andrea Cox TV and then to subscribe to the Detox Intuitive. And I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy and interacting with people. And I wish I could take you outside to show you this beautiful new trellis with rose bush. I might upload a video to my stories everywhere when I'm done here. Honestly, it was the best gift to get this morning. And that's it and that's all. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you here tomorrow at 3:33. I'm going to do a reading for all of the 12 zodiac signs. Have a beautiful day. Be well. Bye. I can never make this stop.